Hey beauties. So this is where you find me in nature, by the water, by a tree, resourcing myself. And I know that I'm really fortunate in having this connection with nature, both that I can actually physically go out in nature, but also that I can connect to nature in this way. So wanting to reach out to all of you that are not maybe fortunate enough to be able to go out into nature right now. Maybe you're in a lockdown, maybe you're feeling trapped in an apartment, confined, isolated. So just want to invite you into a little short meditation, just to feel that you are being held and supported right now. So if you want to join me, please feel free to do so. And I'd like to welcome you to just lean back into something that feels really good. Maybe lean back into a sofa, a cushion. Maybe lean back into a chair, whatever feels good to you. And as you lean back, just imagine that you have a tree supporting your back. Close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just feel into a plane of connection between your back, body, and this support from behind. And if you wish, you can imagine that there's a big, stable trunk of a tree supporting your back. And as you feel this connection, allow yourself to rest back. Just taking a few long, deep, slower breaths down into your belly. Silently, or with a little audible sigh, just sighing out. Take a long, deep breath. And just softly sigh out a few times, inviting yourself to tune into the support right now. The tree behind your back. Just imagine its roots descending deep down into the fertile soil. And as you sit here leaning back into your tree, into the support from behind, allow yourself to sink back into the back of your body, into the back of the heart, into the back of your spine, and sinking down into your sitting bones. Feel the weight of your body. And feel these roots that are descending down through this tree. Just allow yourself to tap into the experience of you having energetic roots as well, that descend down into the earth. Feeling your breath deepening, softening, broadening down, almost as if you could breathe with these roots of yours, as if you could breathe connection, sustenance, nourishment, love through your roots. Imagine, sense yourself sitting here, relaxing into this big tree supporting you, into the earth supporting you. Imagining a soft, warm breeze stroking your face. Feeling, sensing, imagining you breathing fresh air. Just tuning into the natural world supporting you all around. Just feeling that you belong, you are supported, cared for in this moment. I'm taking a few last deep breaths here. As if you could open your senses, if you could open the cells of your body, drawing in, plugging back into sustenance, to the source of creation. Breathing in connection, breathing in relaxation, breathing in you belonging to this earth, to this tree, to the sun. And feel free to sit here for a little while more, sinking, soaking up, or slowly come back in your own time. I'm just taking a few last deep breaths and sending out a gratitude for this moment, for you gifting yourself with this meditation, and sending a gratitude out into Mother Earth for all her support, all her love as she's holding us through the transformation we're in right now. Sending blessings out to you. May you be well, may you be safe, may you be happy, may you feel supported and loved in this moment. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here, for doing the amazing work you're doing in your life right now. I honor you, I love you, and I'm here in service to us all. Have a beautiful day or evening or night. Sending you all my love.